It's important that practitioners understand child development and the expectations, but what we want to do is lessen the pressure on the expectations as our children with additional learning needs may follow their own paths in terms of their development. We want every child to thrive in their own way. It's so important that the children feel completely comfortable and relaxed in the setting. This starts a lot before they actually come into the setting on their first day. There's a lot of work to get the children to become familiar with where they're going to go. So through pictures and visits is amazing. And then when we look at the actual structure of a session or a day, we need to ensure that children feel comfortable and relaxed with having staff members around, so building that relationship within the room and the practitioners to know that then they are well supported throughout their transitions throughout the day.
Children who would have already been to non-main settings would have had a really good foundation in play-based learning. They would be used to being in environments that spark their curiosity, giving them opportunities to be creative, to explore, counting to 100 or writing their names or being able to name colours or shapes isn't what is important. What is important is that they can make friends and that they are developing relationships and that they are able to problem solve or resolve any conflicts. I think the challenge is not whether the children are ready for the schools, but that the schools are ready for the children. And they can be if they continue in this play-based learning and giving them plenty of opportunities to explore and providing them environments that spark their curiosity and again the opportunities for the outdoor learning as well.
Well, we work very well with the school because we're on the same building site as them. We go over there very often. We go over there for tea parties, concerts, loads of things in the school. We've got a very good connection with the school, the head teacher and the actual nursery teacher. She comes over to visit, we go over there. Now after half term, we've got 4 weeks where we do like a language and play within the school. So I go, the children go, and the teacher will be there as well. The children love it. They meet all their new friends and everything. And to settle the children in even better, we have got a transition box within the Cylch where we have got story spot in there, school uniforms in there, loads of photos of the school, maybe a little corridor where the little toilets are, because that's a big thing for children, knowing where things are, and also the entrance for the building as well. So that's a big thing for children to get in. So we make the transition so much smoother so that they can settle in really quickly. From the box we've got in the Cylch, we have a transition box in the Cylch. We have introduced that, or the parents are now introducing that to the children. So at home, the children look at their school uniforms really early, and they go to the school really early. They have parents' evening in the schools. The parents are giving them little stories, little Welsh stories, because next door is a Welsh school, to introduce the Welsh to the children very young from family and us. It'll just make the children settling a lot easier when they get into the school. So that's the way we're going to go forward.